Hi, this is Brian at Grimm's Auto Service. We got an 02 Trailblazer. My neighbor said he was doing some work on his vehicle and all of a sudden he couldn't get the thing to start. And I got in here, I'm not sure exactly, he had part of the dash apart, and I got in it and I noticed that it said reverse there, and I started checking things and I couldn't get it, the shifter to... Oop, my battery's getting low, sorry about that. The shifter wouldn't move or anything. I was looking to see what he might have bumped or anything. I went to go grab my scan tool with the key still on. I noticed that it said reverse on there. I didn't see anything under the dash that would have anything to do with the shifter. I know the transmission range sensors on the transmission, and I looked, and I don't know if you can see down here, but the shift cable came off of the transmission. I believe you can get a replacement grommet for that. So anyway, we'll hook that back up there. That's how it's supposed to be attached there. Go back out of here. So after that, then it says park. So if you're ever stranded somewhere, let's see if it'll still shift. Yeah, so you might be able to drive it for a little bit. So yeah, if you're ever stranded somewhere and that's what your vehicle's doing, you can crawl underneath and check to see if the shifter came loose. Have a nice night.